How can I help you?
Jake, what's the time right now?
Current time is 3:39 p.m. How can I help you?
Tell me a joke.
There are 10 types of people, those who understand binary and those who don't. How can I help you?
Go to Google.
If you want to go to Google, type google.com into your web browser's address bar and press enter or go.
So you wrote it for open Google.
How can I
Or
help
play
you?
a song.
Play a song.
How can I help you?
It is playing ABC song.
You got big brain.
Let's play the A song.
Yes, song.
Even though it's a risk and I don't know what's on the other side.
Why did you bother me?
What's the time? Oh, Steve, what's the time?
Current time is 3:38 p.m. Why did you bother me?
Steve, tell me a joke.
In SQL query goes into a bar, walks up to 2 tables and asks, "Can I join you?" Why did you bother me?
You have any questions in physics?
No.
Okay.
What is it?
Current time is 3:37 p.m. How can I help you?
What is the weather right now?
The weather right now depends on your location. How can I help you?
Joke?
I think it's
How can I help you?
Tell me a joke.
A QA engineer walks into a bar, runs into a bar, crawls into a bar, dances into a bar, tiptoes into a bar, rams a bar, jumps into a bar. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Alex? Ooh, it's George Washington.
George Washington, February 22nd, 1732 to December 14, 1799, was the first President of the United States and one of the founding fathers of the United States. He served as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. He is considered to be an instrumental figure in leading America to become an independent nation and has been held in high regard for his integrity, military tactics and strong leadership. How can I help you?
What time is it?
Current time is 3:35 p.m.
Tell me a joke.
How can I help you?
Tell me a joke.
A product manager walks into a bar, asks for drink. Bartender says no, but will consider adding later. How can I help you?